Hello, guys. So, if your DoorDash background check is stuck in progress and not moving forward, it can be frustrating because it delays your ability to start dashing. This step is required before activation, and sometimes it takes longer than expected due to verification delays, system processing time, or incomplete information. Many users assume something is wrong with their account, but in most cases, it's just a temporary delay that can be resolved with a few simple checks. Once everything is in order, the verification usually completes without any problem. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix this issue and move your background check forward. Try these. Step 1. Check your email for any messages requesting additional information. Step 2. Ensure all your personal details are entered correctly. Step 3. Close and reopen the DoorDash app to refresh the status. Step 4. Use a stable internet connection while checking updates. Step 5. Update the DoorDash app to the latest version. Step 6. Wait and check again after some time if the process is still ongoing.